Complete IELTS, Bands 4 to 5, Workbook, by Rawdon Wyatt. Published by Cambridge University Press, 2012. This recording is copyright. Unit 1, Track 2. 1.
Have you moved into your new house yet?
Not yet, but we've got a date.
When's that?
2 weeks today, on Friday the 13th.
2.
Have you come far today?
No, just from Crawford.
Dorford? Where's that?
No, Crawford. That's CRAWFORD.
3.
What's your phone number?
Do you want my home number or my mobile?
You'd better give me your mobile.
OK, it's 0870 292 720.
4.
Do you know Sue's address? I want to send her a birthday card.
Sure. It's 70 Sydney Avenue, Lowestoft.
17 Sydney Avenue. Thanks.
No, 70. And that's Sydney with an I, not a Y. SIDNEY.
Unit 1, Track 3. 1.
What's your name?
Julienne Bailey.
Did you say Juliet?
No, Julienne. JULIENNE.
And Bailey with an I?
That's right. BAILEY.
2.
I tried calling you last night, but I couldn't get through.
Oh, sorry, I was out. Next time, try my mobile.
What's the number?
Got a pen? OK? It's 0865 701158.
3.
Could you give me your address, please?
Sure, it's 113 Evenlode Road, Fenton.
113 Evenlode Road. Could you spell the name of the road for me?
Sure, it's EVENLODE.
Thanks.
4.
How long have you been here?
Let me see. I arrived on the 1st. No, sorry, I arrived on the 3rd of April, so I've been here for 9 days.
Unit 1, Track 4.
Hello, Good Moves Accommodation Agency. Ben speaking. How can I help?
Good morning. I'm calling about an apartment on your website and was wondering if I could have some more information.
Certainly. Can I take your details before we get started?
Sure.
Right. What's your name, please?
OK. My name is Clarice Willard. Clarice is CLARICE and Willard WILLARD.
Uh-huh. And have you got a contact number?
Yes. I'll give you my mobile, which is 0192 873 4566.
That's great, thanks. And can I ask how you found us?
Of course. A family member used you last year and recommended you. So I had a look at your website and, well, that's why I'm calling now.
OK. So, which property are you interested in?
The apartment on Statham Street, the one on the 3rd floor.
Uh-huh. Let me see. I'm afraid that flat's no longer available.
No?
No, it went this morning. It's in a really popular part of town. We do have a house on the same street if you're interested. It's £950 a month.
No. I think that's much too expensive. I think an apartment is all we can afford.
Oh, so it's not just for you?
No, me and a friend. We're both starting work in the town next month.
Oh, right, so it's two of you. So let's see. Do you have any preferences in terms of location?
Both our jobs are in the town centre, so it would be good to be within walking distance of that, or perhaps a short bus journey away. Neither of us have a car, so we'd be relying on public transport.
And what's your budget?
I'm sorry?
How much can you pay a month?
Let me see. £700 a month is probably our limit.
Each?
No, that would be for the both of us. We wouldn't be able to pay more than £350 each. Oh, and that would have to include bills. Not phone bills, obviously, but things like electricity, gas and water.
OK. Well, we do have a place in the Bampton district, which is about 10 minutes by bus from town. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, and it's less than your budget, at £600 a month. Bills would be extra, unfortunately, but that should still work out at less than £700. Although remember that electricity and gas prices are going up all the time, so I can't guarantee that.
Do you have an address?
I do. The apartment number is 3, and it's at 57 Thorny Lees Road.
Hang on, let me just make a note of that. 57...
Thorny Lees Road. Thorny is Thorney, and Lees is Leys. And the district is called Bampton. Do you have an email address?
Yes.
In that case, I can send you the details, and then you can think about it. And if you're interested, I could arrange for a visit, so you can see the place for yourself. How does that sound?
Oh, that would be really helpful. It's Clarice_Willard at NT...
Unit 2, Track 5. A.
Do you have a contact number?
B.
How far do you travel to work?
C.
How do you get to work?
D.
Have you got any hobbies or interests?
E.
What do you do?
F.
Can I have your second name, please?
G.
When were you born?
H.
Where do you live?
Unit 2, Track 6.
Can I have your second name, please?
Sure, it's Williams. That's WALLIAMS.
Where do you live?
37 Beach Street, Wokingham. Beach is BEECH.
When were you born?
On the 5th of April, 1984.
Do you have a contact number?
Sure. It's 0529 865 2411.
What's your job?
I'm a shop manager.
How far do you travel from your house to your place of work?
12 kilometres.
How do you get there?
I usually take the bus.
Have you got any hobbies or interests?
Oh yes, I like cooking, cycling and travel.